Hi kids, today's work is a continuation of the part-whole type problems. Remember, these problems don't have those words that tell us to add, like join or find, or tell us to subtract, like lost or sold, but rather they give us parts of a whole thing. And what's different about today's is we're going to see the word sum. So let me show you some, and hopefully that will make it clear to you. There are 40 action figures in the blue aisle and some dolls in the pink aisle. Here's the sum. There are 71 toys in both aisles. How many toys are dolls? What I'm to understand is this is the total. There are 71 toys, and there are two kinds of toys, action figures and dolls. Part and part. Put those together, I'll get the total 71. So that means 40 goes here, and I don't know how many dolls there are, action figures and dolls. To figure this out, I simply subtract. 71 minus 40, ooh, easy peasy. 1 minus 0 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 3, 31. And that makes sense that if I add these two parts together, I'll get that total. Let's try another one. There are 23 short-haired puppies at the shelter. The rest of them are long-haired. There are a total of 47 puppies. How many puppies at the shelter are long-haired? Again, I get the idea of I know what the total is. There's 47. And here are the two parts, short hair and long hair. I know there's 23 short hair, but I don't know how many long hair there are. To figure this out, I'm going to subtract 47 minus 23. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 24 is the answer. Part, and whole. Let's try a couple more. There are 75 cookies on the table. Some of the cookies, there's that some, were sugar cookies. 40 of them are chocolate chip. How many are sugar cookies? Here's the total. This time the total was told to me right away. There's 75 cookies on the table, and the two parts are sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies. I know there are 40 chocolate chip. What I don't know is how many sugar cookies there are. To solve this, I'm going to subtract. The math mountain tells me to do that. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. 35 is the answer. Let's try one last one. Hunter had 66 pieces of candy. Some of them were suckers. Some 17 of them were gum. There's that sum. Here's the two parts, suckers and gum. Suckers and gum. And when I put those together, I find out how many pieces of candy there are. 66. I know there's 17 pieces of gum. I don't know how many suckers. To solve it, I'm simply going to subtract. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. 16 minus 7 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. There are 49, and that makes absolute sense. If I add these two numbers together, I'll find the total. I hope that's not too hard for you. As always, if you have any questions, go to Google Meet and I'll help you out. Bye-bye, kids.